Just coming back to you. I didn't upload a video last night. I fell asleep after slaving half the night and recording 2 videos on a mukbang. But I just wanted to come and show y'all the smoothie that I made. It's basically bananas, and I blended it separate. I blended the bananas separately. I put a little bit of pear juice in it, a bunch of ice because I didn't freeze my bananas, and blended it up. And then I put vanilla yogurt. I use Stony Brook probiotic vanilla yogurt. It's smooth, it tastes good. You can eat it with granola, fruit on top. So that's the yogurt that I use, Stony Brook probiotic vanilla. So I just threw, after I poured the banana smoothie in, I just dumped a couple of tablespoons of the yogurt in. I didn't blend it in the blender. I put it inside the cup. And so that's what you see, the white and stuff is from the vanilla yogurt. And then I blended the strawberries and blueberries separately. So that's why you see it separated on the top right here and throughout the glass. You see the separation. And so I blended that up, strawberries and blueberries with some ice. You can see the vanilla yogurt really good right here, where I just poured it into the cup. But I blended up the strawberries and blueberries with some ice so it could be frozen, because those, I didn't freeze those either. And voila, my smoothie. Glass straw is by Glass Dharma. This is the smoothie size straw. They are on Instagram. Sorry for my fingers in the way. So this is a fruit smoothie. If you want this to be like a workout smoothie, like protein, I use the Sun Warrior. I do have a video on that. It's a plant-based protein. You could use it before your workout and after your workout. To me, it tastes nasty on its own with just water. I don't drink milk. And so I just blend mine in. Two of the scoops will give you a good protein balance on that. And again, it's plant-based, but you could go search for my video. So that's it. Just wanted to come do a quick video on, my little smoothies that I make. If you want it to be just, I know some people are watching like their sugar intake or their diet or whatever. You don't have to add the yogurt if you don't want to. You don't have to add the fruit juices if you don't want to. Mostly when I'm a little bit stricter, I just do water, ice, strawberries, bananas, or blueberries, or whatever fruit that you want to do. And that's it. But I do add a little bit of the juices that I have along with a little water as well, because with the ice it gets watered down a lot. So that's it. So give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comment box. Subscribe if you're not. Peace.